This is gonna be out of business for, I just wonder how.
Mayor LaRon said everyone should be sheltering in place and that there are rescues still in progress.
Oh yeah. Oh, there's kittens. I'm gonna throw up.
Where Mayor Lawrence LaRon said crews responded to at least 30 homes to rescue people. The mayor spoke with Eyewitness News from the North Plainfield Recreation Center, which is assisting up to 30 people that they are sheltering for the night. We've probably got about 9 streets that have been flooded out completely impassable, he said. We're still in the process of doing rescues of people's homes that are flooded and trapped in their homes. Flash floods swept through southeastern Tennessee on Tuesday, shutting down several roads in the area around Chattanooga as emergency crews rescued people from the waters. Weston Wamp, the mayor of Hamilton County, which includes Chattanooga, declared a state of emergency shortly before 10 p.m. and asked residents to exercise extreme caution. In the Netherwood section of Plainfield, hours-long traffic jams kept people from getting home. Many of them waited it out on higher ground, saying they just didn't know it would be this bad. The National Weather Service had forecast excessive rain concentrated in the southern Appalachian region. Who was struck in traffic for hours. It's not fun to be a mile away from your house, and it's 3 hours to get there. Particularly the valley where Chattanooga, a low-lying city of 180,000 people, sits along the Tennessee River. The town's response on Monday comes just a week after one person died in North Plainfield when a line of severe weather carved a path of destruction through central Jersey. As a result of the Monday's storms, all North Plainfield summer school classes and offices will be closed on Tuesday. Another hard-hit area was Scotch Plains in Union County. Six inches of rain fell on Tuesday evening at Chattanooga Metropolitan Airport, known as Lovell Field, according to the Weather Service. A flash flood warning was in effect for Hamilton County and neighboring Bradley County until 2:45 a.m. local time. Photos and videos posted on social media by the Chattanooga Fire Department showed firefighters rescuing people from floating cars and partly submerged homes. Emergency crews have been helping remove abandoned cars from the roadway and have rescued some people by boat. It's not how families in Union County expected to get home on Monday night. Francis Englert was one of people who had to be rescued. I felt hopeless. I mean, we were like marooned, basically, Englert said. He was rescued from his van as he was rushing to get home, but he didn't make it. I found myself. The water just kept rising. A little bit started getting into the van, he said. Many people who were rescued from the rising waters are still waiting to get home. I sheltered in a parking light with a bunch of guys, and then I drove and tried to get over, and then I was stuck, said local resident Hui Chin. Families who have lived along these streets for decades say the area is known for minor flooding, but they say they have never seen anything like this before. They are grateful the hardest rain has now stopped, and worried what the waters will leave behind, and what happens when they return next time. What's causing it, that's my take. More of this is coming, and we have to prepare for this somehow, Hui said.
No hay nadie. No. No, no hay nadie ahí.
Meanwhile, Scotch Plains Public Library announced that it would be closed on Tuesday for the safety of our staff and community. Governor Phil Murphy has declared a state of emergency, given flash flooding and high levels of rainfall in parts of the state. He's urging residents to stay indoors and avoid unnecessary travel. As heavy rainfall persists across the region, North Plainfield and Greenbrook officials are joining their neighbors in urging residents to exercise extreme caution. Both municipalities are experiencing significant flooding, with reports indicating hazardous conditions throughout residential areas and along major roadways. North Plainfield has reported rising water levels in several locations. A trailer truck was among the vehicles stuck in muddy waters along Interstate 24, which reopened after floodwaters receded. According to Lindsay Rogers, a spokeswoman for the fire department. No injuries have been reported, she said. According to the village of Ruidoso, PNM is reporting customers without power in the Davis Drive, Spruce Drive, and Yellow Pine Road areas with potential outages to nearby accounts. The power outage expanded to Upper Ebarb, East and West Redwood Drive, Juniper Road, and the Brady Canyon area. The village anticipates potential outages to nearby areas.
Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to stay informed about the latest developments.